Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about ENDSWith method. It is in the part of string. So, when you can check a string by using this method, you can check like is that has the last name, and it gonna return true or false. Let me show you. Just wait and const str1 equals cat are the best. No, I don't think that. I just copied from another place. Don't think that I believe that kind of stuff. No, I'm not kind of that kind of guy. After doing that, use the ends with method, and you need to pass parameter best. So there is a exception that you need to, like, if you don't pass another parameter, it will be checking from here. But if you like first time, let me show you this. If we do this, this is long. What I did now, string ends with so what the heck? That is let me check. Oh, sorry about that. The ends. So when we like do like this, we will it will be checked from the end. So but if we don't want to, like, if you want to just check best, you don't want to like the exclamation mark, and if you want to do that, is use the number of strings. So how we gonna check that out? We need to like console.log and str1.length. It gives you the number of words inside there, 17. So for this one is 17, so we can do like passing 17, and that way it will be changes to true. Yeah, like this. So and that way you can change into true, and that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.